where we are going to be using estimation with division. This is another one of those lessons, guys, what fifth graders historically hate, because there's often more than one way to estimate and therefore more than one answer. Just depends on how you round your dividends or your divisors. We are going to be estimating using compatible numbers. Those are numbers that are easily able to divide mentally. And so there are often more than one way to do it. So if we want to get a quick and dirty idea of what our quotient is going to be, let's start with this question, 545 divided by 5. Okay, so there are several ways to estimate this using compatible numbers. First of all, I can round my 545 to 500. So that would be easy, right? 500 divided by 5. Now I can use the tens trick. There's my basic fact. 2 zeros left. 100. Pretty simple. But what if somebody decided they were going to round 545 to 550? Could you do that? Sure, absolutely, because this is very compatible. 5 goes into 55 11 times with 1 0 left over. Now look at our different quotients, 100, 110. They are close to each other. They are in the ballpark. So both of these answers I would check as correct. What? How? But they're different. How can they both be right? That's because we are estimating. And estimating is a skill that lets you work quickly to get an answer that is in the ballpark of the actual answer. And there are times when that is, that's good enough. You don't need the actual exact answer. You just need to know you're in the ballpark. This is also another way to kind of check to see whether your quotient is correct. If you had a quotient of 11, let's say, that's not in the ballpark at all. So you would know that your actual answer was wrong, and that would be a little hint to you to go back and check your work or redo your work or whatever. But there are other times when all you really need to do is estimate, and you don't even need to calculate the exact answer. For example, if you are facing multiple choice and you want to know, which answers in the multiple choice are absolutely wrong, using estimation will help you move through those questions much more quickly than if you had to sit and actually calculate. So before you start doing all your steps of long division or setting up for partial quotients or whatever, always look at your question and see if you can do a quick and dirty estimation using compatible numbers. Now,